Hello everyone, this is Megha Nandi. This is Online Learning Management System and today's topic is Computer Network. So let's see the course objective first. The course objective is the student will be able to explain the meaning of network, and the learning objectives are after this lecture the student will be able to know what is network and its types. So let's start with the meaning. So first of all, the topic is that is computer network. So in previous slides, in previous lecture, we have seen that is data communication. And what I have told you, data communication generally happens between the computer systems that we are exchanging data from one computer to another computer. So we will say that is a data communication. So similarly, to have this data communication, we requires network. So what is it? So what is this network that we will see? What do you mean by network? So first thing that network we requires while having the data communication. A network in computing is a group of two or more devices or nodes that can communicate. It means if you are connecting two or more devices with each other, if you are linking two or more devices with each other, then we will say that is in network. The devices or nodes in question can be connected by physical or wireless connection. It means if you want to communicate your computer system, if you want to have data communication through the computers, so definitely you want to use some medium. It can be a wired medium or wireless medium. So that medium will be the network. So using network, we can connect our computer system to have the communication. So this is the meaning of network. Now there are various types of networks available in the market on the basis of their limitations and requirement. So which are this type that we will see. So here are four types of networks available, that is LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. Now what are these network we will see. So first that is LAN. LAN is a short form. Now LAN stands for local area network. It stands for local area network. Now what do you mean by local area network? First of all, if I'm saying network, this concept is used when you are having data communication. That means through the computer system. So LAN is a network generally used in a place where you can connect your computer system with each other at a shorter distance. So LAN is a network generally used at a shorter distance. This is the limit or restricted area of a LAN. And in detail, I would like to say you can connect computer system which is situated in a single room or in a same building or a campus. It means using LAN, you can connect computer system which is placed in a single room, in building or in a campus. So this is the restricted area. Now exactly I would like to tell you that LANs normally operate within a compact or such as an office or buildings or campus. That means it is capable to connect devices which is available in the office, building or campus. So at a shorter distance to connect computer system, LAN network is used. So typically we can say that that is under 10 kilometers. So up to 10 kilometer, it is capable to connect computer devices. So this is about LAN. Now, second network, that is MAN. Now, as we have seen in previous slide, there are some disadvantages. Like we have advantage that we can connect computer systems, we can have data communication, but on the other hand, LAN is applicable only at shorter distance. That means at shorter distance only we can connect the computer system using LAN. So this is the disadvantage. To overcome this disadvantage, next concept has come, that is MAN. So MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Now what exactly mean? Now let's see. It covers a larger distance than local area network. That means if local area network is restricted to the same building, to a single room or to a same campus, so it will cover the larger distance than local area network. It means it can cover, that is 10 to 100 kilometers. So we can consider here that is from area to area. That is possible by man. That is possible by man. Like cable connection, we can say that area to area or within a city. In short, we can say that is within a city you can connect your computer system through the MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. So we can cover 10 to 100 kilometers. So in a city, within a city, that is area to area, you can have the metropolitan area network. This is possible. Now next, that is WAN, that is wide area network. Now class, first of all, let's compare. LAN has a restricted capability that it can cover up to 10 kilometers. On the other hand, this drawback has overcome in MAN, that is metropolitan area network, that it can cover, it can connect up to 100 kilometers. So that means within a city. Now, what is the problem is, now I want to connect globalized, I want to connect worldwide. Now by sitting in Nagpur, I want to connect to the USA. I will connect with the USA. Then what happened? So at larger distance, at large, to cover larger geographical area, we require WAN, that is wide area network. So here we can take example of internet. That internet is a network which generally which connect us with anyone, which connect us globalized at global area. It can connect with within in same building, it can connect within a city, and it can connect, that is country to country, that is globalized. So WAN, we can have the example, that is internet. Now let's see the explanation. It stands for wide area network. Then digital communication system which interconnects different sites, computer installation using, that means we can connect different sites also. That is the use of WAN. So what developed to operate nationwide on worldwide. That means again, I have told you before this, to work worldwide, globalized WAN network is used. So this is all about WAN. Even so satellite, these kind of things generally use, which is wireless. So wireless things comes under the WAN network. Now next and last network, that is PAN. And PAN stands for, that is personal area network. This is totally a private network, which it also stands for private area network. Privates, that means personal. Personal, that means it is applicable to an individual person. So when it comes to an individual person, then we will say that is my personal or private things. So PAN area network is applicable to individual person. Now, what is the use of this? According to its name, this network generally used for personal things, to have personal work, like it is used to connect personal resources for personal use. So this PAN network is used for personal use, and we can connect personal resources. Now which are these personal resources? The resources can be mobile phone, laptop, media player, and so on. So if an individual person to have entertainment, to have personal use, if he's connecting his personal devices with each other, so we'll say that is a PAN. Generally, we connect our computer system with mobile phone, with Bluetooth, and so on. So we'll say that is a PAN, personal area network. Because for personal use, we are connecting our personal resources with each other. So this is all about network and types of network. So we have 4 types of network which we have seen. So this is all about network. Thank you.